Hey guys, Matt with Atlas Precision Consulting here. In this video, we're going to talk about converting a quote into a sales order and the two ways that you go about doing that. There is the QTO wizard, which you can see up here at the top of my screen, and then there's the right-click convert to a quote. So we're going to focus on the right-click one right now, and then we'll also cover the basics of the QTO wizard. So I'm in a quote here, and I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to hit convert to order. It's going to give me a warning that's telling me that, hey, this is permanent. You can't undo this, which is technically true, but technically not true. Because if I say yes here, if I hit clear and don't save this order, I could come back into it and it's still a quote. So you do have one last chance to save this quote before you kill it. But if you look here, when you convert an order to a quote, it tells you that it originally came from a quote, and then it also tells you the ID of that quote, which in this case happens to be the exact same ID as the order number because we just converted it. Now this is useful in instances where you're trying to make sure no matter what piece of paperwork your customer has, if they have a copy of the quote or they have the order number, they all kind of relate to each other. But again, it's a permanent and you're done with it. In this quote, I'm going to show you, if I go to right click here, you're going to notice that the convert to order is grayed out. There are some things that will not allow you to use the right click convert to order. In this example, the reason is because the star washer here, if I go to my prices, you'll see that it's being pulled from a contract. Any quote that has a contract on it is not going to let you do the right click convert. So we're going to have to use the quote to order wizard or the QTO wizard, which is a much more powerful system. It allows you to change customer IDs. It allows you to recalculate the pricing for some reason. It also allows you to just copy the quote with some of these options down here. And there's a couple of different options. And you can also kill it permanently, just like you can on the right click. If we check this quote complete, and then if we hit finished, it would kill that quote. I'm going to hit next here to show you what the other screen is. This other screen's not as important as if you're not changing anything. This is just going to show you all the items that are on here and the quantities. So maybe you did quote 100, but you only want to convert some of them, and a couple other options on the screen. The next screen is going to give us our ship to information, which again, not really necessary because this is going to take you straight into the sales order. But I just wanted you to see what all the different screens were. So we're going to hit finish. And unlike the other one where it shows that it came from a quote and it had the exact same quote number as it did the sales order number, you'll see when this one comes back, it's actually showing a completely different order number. So you can see on here, I have my order number 195, but you can see it came from quote 194. So if I save this order here, I can pull back up that 194 and it will still exist as a quote that I can use again because we did not kill the quote. So again, a little bit longer video, guys, but if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to see some other stuff, make sure you put a comment below what you want to see. And as always, Atlas is here for your P21 needs.